Need help with your TikTok account, videos, or another issue? In this video, I'll show you how to contact TikTok support on your phone. So, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll all the way down and tap on Help Center. Here, you'll see different categories related to account issues, videos, privacy, payments, and more. Select the category that best matches your issue and follow the on-screen instructions. If the suggested solutions don't resolve your problem, tap on Need More Help. Now, type a detailed description of your issue and attach screenshots if necessary. After that, tap on Submit to send your request to TikTok support. You can check for replies from TikTok by returning to the Report a Problem section and viewing your support tickets. And that's it.